This lesson is 4.4. It's on dividing tens, hundreds, and thousands. So for the first section, it says use basic facts and place value to find the quotient. Let's go ahead and look at number 4. It's 300 divided by 5. Okay, very good. So we're going to do 300 divided by 5. Just so you know what it looks like, we have 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups, and we have 3 hundreds. So we have 3, let's pretend these are 3 base 10 hundreds blocks. Okay, so we have 3 hundreds there. Can we fit those 3 hundreds into those 5 places equally right now? No, we're going to have to regroup them. So if we look at 3 hundreds, let's go to the tens place right here. And remember, a 10 has 1 0 behind it. What's that number in front of the tens? 30, right. So we have 30 tens with these 3 hundreds. So if we counted 30 and put 1 in each group at a time, we'd get it. So let's count to 30 and put 1 10 in each group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, count with me, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Perfect. This doesn't always happen, but just knowing this, it fit perfectly. So we had 30 of those tens fit in perfectly. Now, how many of those tens are in each group? How many tens? 6 tens. Right. So how many ones are 6 tens? 60. You got it. So that's why it's 60. That's why our song, find the basic fact and then you divide. Count the zeros and place them beside or close by. Yeah, that's why that song works. Okay? Because we divided those 30 tens by 5 to get 6 tens or 60. Okay, let's look at number 12. Okay, number 12 says, let's read it together and go. Hillary can read 560 words in 7 minutes. How many words can Hillary read in 1 minute? So if we had 7 groups, which we do, and we had 560, we can't break up the 500s perfectly, can we? No, so we're going to have to break it up into tens, the next place over. So we go to the tens place, draw our line. What number is in front of that? 56. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to break 56 tens into 7 groups. But if you know your multiplication facts, 56 tens equals, or divided by 7 is how many? 8 tens, which is 80. So we would write 56 tens divided by 7 equals 80 or 8 tens. Okay? So how many words can Hillary read in 1 minute? 80 words. Very good. Okay, now if we were to look at number 15, it says, explain how your knowledge of place value helps you divide a number in the thousands by whole numbers to 10. Give an example to support your explanation. So we're dividing a number, so I'm going to have divided by a number in the thousands. So pick any number in the thousands, and we're going to have zeros behind it because that's this lesson. So any number in the thousands by a whole number to 10. So there's 210. So let's say, what do you think about 4,000? Does that work? Yeah. 4,000 divided by a whole number. So let's say, what's a whole number? 2. We could do 2. Okay, divided by 2 equals, so let's find our basic fact, which is 4 divided by 2, which is what? 2. And we're dividing by hundreds here. So how many zeros are going to be behind it? 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, because we were going to thousands here. All right, so 3 zeros in 1,000, so the answer is 2,000. So it says give an example to support your explanation. Did we do that?
Yeah.
Did we explain though?
No.
So then you just have to explain what we did. Okay? All right, you've got this. This is Go Math 4.4.